What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in at Mama's house right now. About to sum up my weekend adventure of the things I have done during the weekend of this week. Since I've been down, I had to bring the flooring. I insulated the garage and also sheetrocked it. Now I need to get finished. Did some caulking in different areas. I also worked on the entertainment wall. I cleaned out and threw away a lot of more needed trash and different items that needed to get through away that was in the house, that was connected to the wall, like these little brackets was on the window. Um, some sheetrock and stuff. I'm not sheetrock, but some roofing repairs got done. All those got lined out. Like I say, we started on this, got it all lined out, so now we can go to the next stage once we start doing the rest of the sheetrock. And I got to get a couple more boards to actually frame it out. But we got a lot of stuff done. Did some more cleaning, got it cleaned out. Got to get the rest of this tile up so that way we can lay the flooring in here. So started tearing that out. So we got a few different things going. So we got our paint and everything in this corner. This is actually where the washer and washer go here, dryer go there. And then this is the kitchen area once we finish this stuff. This is actually the pantry. We got different little stuff in there I got lined out right now, but it's pretty nice. Like I say, things are kind of work out. I got my cousin Sambo down here. He popped up on me this time on this trip. Like I say, we got some things we got to do, but it's coming on along. It's going to come. So the goal is to work on the sheetrock, the sheetrock and the painting. We're gonna be doing got that border there. So the border gonna start here and go up. So it's probably gonna be gray at the bottom and white at the top. And then we're gonna do the decoration on that. We're still up in the air on what we're gonna use. So we got a couple different ideas to match the flooring and match the color of the outside of the wall. So we got enough sheetrock. We got plenty sheetrock left. We got to get a couple more 2x4s though to finish a couple things, and that's about it. We got a couple extra 4x6s that actually I got, and I haven't used them. I thought I was gonna need them and didn't use them, so that's what that is. But like I said, we've been lining a few things out, getting locks and stuff done, making sure the doors and everything is situated. But it's all coming on along, one stage at a time. But we're actually getting our haul on. Weld this up. Still got a couple more stages. Put the motor up here. Put a seal on the front. And we've been lining out the garage. So we're cleaning stuff up, getting the pepper ready for the next stage. So we're getting our haul on. Like that.